Gold and silver have started the week with a little recovery, specifically silver after the sharp drop or crash last Friday. We have seen it recovering a bit stronger compared to gold, which is almost running flat. Now, what to expect? Can we expect this bounce back to continue in the metals, or there is a possibility of a drop again? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? Today, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, do not miss to watch that. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, or join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, gold, followed with silver. Watch till. See, gold on the early charts after this sharp drop. You can see this. What has happened here? A sharp decline in prices was seen. It has tried to rebound, but almost on a flat note. Now, what it is trying to create, is at a modest bearish channel here. First of all, the prices are divergent from the 20 period moving average, which is sitting right now at around 23.15, 23.20 zone, which is also a greater resistance zone. Earlier, this was the, and yes, the moving average is crossing over here, trading with divergence and with bearishness. It may trade sideways, wait for the moving averages to climb up, achieve that, and then fall. This is one of observation which we can expect here. Now look at the hourly charts also here. See, there is a stronger resistance seen here at 2302, 2305, 2310 zone. And as long as 2320 is not taken, there are stronger resistances for gold on the upside. So yes, if you see it is staying above 2302, we can initiate a buying entry here and expect it to rise a little. If you look at the stochastic, this is retraced looking downwards. MACD on the hourly charts have seen a sharp fall. It is willing to cross over for the buying entries. Right now, it is trading with modest bearishness as of now. RSI is also oversold. It may try to recover. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour chart, sharp bearishness here. Then for few candles, you can find out higher lows are seen. Now, also observe this last two candles. What has happened? Higher highs, lower lows, a swing here and a red candle. So do not treat this as bullish as long as first it has to break 2302 and then 2305. This is a zone where we have first resistance for gold here. Once it stays above 2305, certainly more bullish momentum may prevail here. Yes, here also moving averages have crossed over and are trading with divergence, signs of bearishness here. Stochastic is rising. The MACD is sharply bearish. It is trying to converge and it may try to trade bullish. If it crosses over from here, certainly a reversal can be expected. RSI is also staying oversold. We can expect a bounce back. On the 3 hour charts, now see on the 3 hour charts, diminishing bullishness and a current candle showing a swing. Where this current candle closes and where the next candle starts, that is going to be our observation. If it closes in green, if it closes on the upwards towards 2300 and plus level, certainly the next candle might try to trade further bullish, taking it towards 2310, 2316, and in fact 2320 levels. Stochastic is the oversold, trying to recover. The MACD is bearish here, trying to converge a bit, but it is still bearish. RSI is almost staying at bottom. On the 4, the observation is more or less similar. High, you can see here higher lows are seen. Preceding candle is a swing candle. Current candle may try to move upwards. We have to wait for it to break beyond 2302, 2305 zone, which will confirm the reversal and the rise or retracement at least towards 2310, 2320 levels. Stochastic oversold here. MACD is divergent and bearish. See on the 4 hour charts, MACD is still not done with the bearishness here. It is still not much of room on the downside. RSI almost at bottom. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you also want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 31st mentorship batch starting today, and do not miss to register for it. Equip yourself with the tools and strategies which you have encapsulated with our years of experience and the trade setups which can help you identify profitable trades and trade profitably. Do not miss to join this learning journey. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And if you also want to join my Signals channel on Telegram, you can again connect with me on the contact details. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, and yes, which offers a SAP free account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can join through the link and enjoy trading. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened? Higher lows are done here, and right now I can see it falling shy of a rise as well. But we have to wait. The day has just started. It may try to recover a little before trying to look down. And thus, if you see gold staying above 230205 zone, stay bullish. We can look forward to 2310, 2316, and 2320 levels. Stochastic is oversold. Look at MACD. This is divergent. This is bearish, looking downwards. RSI almost running flat. So looking at very simple, a buy at 2302 levels, expect 230506 first resistance, 2310 the next, and then 23 1416 and 2324 levels it needs to break. Once it stays above 2320, you can say that the bulls might try to take it further high. And how high it can try? See, 2320 is going to be a very good resistance, and beyond that 2330-32 zone will come into picture. If it is seen trading about 2330-32, we can say that it is trying to reverse and recover strongly. Chances of which appears to be less, at least today, on the upwards beyond 2332. And yes, on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2390, 2292 levels, and then you have to wait for 2287-85 zone to be taken. Once this is taken, wait for 2280, 2278.5. And if it trades below 2278, stay bearish. We are looking forward to a sharper fall towards 2260, 2250 levels here. Below 2250, we can look forward to another round of good drop. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. The silver on the hourly charts was trading with divergence from the 20 period moving average. Where is the 20 period moving average? At 2980. It may try to recover towards this. If you see, it is staying about. See, first of all, this was the consolidation zone, and already we have seen lower lows here. And at that moment also we have found 2980 is a greater resistance. So today, if you see, it is staying about 2960, we can initiate a buying entry for 2975, 2980, and then $30 levels. $30 levels is going to be one stronger resistance zone for silver to break past by. Stochastic overbought here. MACD has seen a sharp slump, and it is crossed over. It is showing a little divergence. It is showing a little recovery sign here. RSI just coming out of the oversold. On the 2 hour charts, we can see higher lows here, higher highs here. Potentially, once it stays about 2960, certainly we can look forward to a recovery towards 2975.80 and in fact $30 levels. Beyond $30 levels, it should be treated as bullish, where 3040, 3050 levels can also be seen. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is extremely bearish. It may try to recover. RSI is also trying to bounce back from the oversold zone. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, see a reversal sign, straight greener candles here, and this candle also trying to stay bullish. Potentially, there is a probability that we may see a little recovery. In fact, $30 levels, 3020 can also be expected here. The support levels are seen now at 2920, $29 levels, which are indeed a very strong support zone. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD bearish, and RSI is also trying to show a little recovery. Coming to 4 hour, look at the 4 hour chart, symmetrical formation, reversal sign, and yes, it is trying to recover a bit. There could be modest bullishness for the day where prices might try to recover a little. How high? $30 levels can be expected. Once it breaks beyond 2960, 2980 zone, certainly bullish momentum will increase. So yes, once you see the lower prices above 2960, we can initiate a buying entry here. Stochastic is oversold, trying to recover here. The MACD on the 4 hour charts is still bearish, and there is lot much of room on the downside. I will wait if it tries to cross over from here. That will be a signal of reversal, because see this, what has happened here? A sharp drop, a retracement, again a sell, and if it crosses over from here, that will be the sign of reversal. RSI almost flat. Coming to the now, look at the daily charts. Higher lows are done. It is trying to recover a little. We have to now wait for it to drop below 2920 in order to take a selling entry, which will confirm the drop towards $29 levels. And if it drops towards 29, you can say that there is a stronger bearish move awaited in silver. Below 29, we can look forward to 28.75.80 and 28.50.40 levels as the next targets. In fact, $28 levels cannot be denied. But for the day, it appears that there should be a little recovery. And remember this, what has happened? See, sharp bearishness, recovery, stronger recovery, bearishness, stronger recovery, strong bearishness, stronger could be the recovery. Right now, I can see this, it is trading in this flag formation channel here. A breakout here is going to be strong. Right now, it is still not giving a breakout. Stochastic has come to oversold. MACD on the daily charts is still trading with divergence and bearishness, and it has still got lot much of room on the downside. RSI has dropped as so. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy silver at 2960. When you see the lower prices, excluding the spreads above 2960, you can initiate a buying entry. 2975, 2980 should ideally be achievable, and then $30 levels are the next target. Remember, the day has just started. So in fact, even if it drops till towards 2940 levels, the chances of a recovery will be high. But Do not trade strictly between 29.20, 29.40. That will be a zone where it will be indecisive. It can take either which ways. Below 29.20 is where the bears will take over, and then we can look forward to $29 levels first target. 28.75, 28.50, and lower levels can also be seen here. Yes, if it breaks out below 28.40, 50 levels, you can say 28 is a must. If not today, some point of time in this week. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session.